Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Infiniti G37 headlights. First, you'll need to gather your tools, including a ratchet with a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. This process requires careful attention to detail, especially when handling delicate clips and wiring. We'll cover each step to ensure a smooth and successful headlight removal, making sure you have everything you need to get the job done right. To begin, open your hood and remove the 7 plastic clips securing the top of the bumper. Next, turn your front wheels to gain access to the fender liner. You'll find 2 Phillips head screws and 1 10mm bolt in each wheel well that need to be removed. Carefully pull the bumper corners away from the fender to release the hidden clips. This step is crucial for creating enough space to access the headlight mounting points. With the bumper partially detached, remove the rubber hood seal and the 10mm bolt located beneath it. Now, you can access the 4 10mm bolts that secure each headlight assembly. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the headlight forward. You'll then need to disconnect the 3 electrical harnesses. These can sometimes be a bit stubborn, so a small flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers can help release the tabs without causing damage. Once all bolts and electrical connectors are free, you can carefully slide the entire headlight assembly out of the vehicle. Take a moment to inspect all the clips and bolts you've removed for any signs of damage, as replacing them now can prevent issues later. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connections are secure and all fasteners are tightened to their proper specifications for a safe and effective reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.